The American Truck Graphics windshield banner in white with American Muscle logo is a simple and affordable way for you to show off some pride with the front of your 09 to 17 F-150. This is an eye-catching white vinyl that'll make your rig stand out. And I think this would be a nice first mod or your last piece to tie your whole build together. This is a peel and stick vinyl that is designed to be wrinkle-free. I'm going to be giving this install a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter, with an install time of 30 minutes. The American Truck Graphics uses high-quality 4mm vinyl when cutting these decals, which is double the thickness of some of the other cheaper brands you might find elsewhere. This decal has been clear-coated for additional protection. It's expected to last at least 8 years outdoors, including in rain or snow. Our decals aren't just for show trucks. They'll still look good after off-road abuse. They're designed to be clean just like the rest of your truck, so you don't have to worry about them peeling off during a weekend wash. We make these decals in-house at American Truck Graphics. This allows us to measure and test fit the graphics on our own trucks to make sure they'll fit your truck's lines perfectly. To make install as easy as possible, American Trucks built air release technology into the vinyl. This means you'll be able to easily squeegee out any bubbles that form under the vinyl for a wrinkle-free finish. I've seen customers in our comments section saying this is their first experience with applying decals and can speak to the ease of the install. They're one of the easiest and affordable ways to make your truck stand out from all the others. The American Muscle logo windshield decal is going to run you just south of $10, which I think is a fair price. This is the most affordable way to change the front look of your rig without investing in any actual parts, especially when compared to painted on accent or decals from the factory that would have cost you hundreds more. I mentioned this is the white logo option. We also offer different colors and styles to fit your build. This is a peel and stick application, so I'll be giving it a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. Expected to take you about 30 minutes to complete. The only tools you'll need are a mixture of soap and water and a squeegee that's provided.
Today we're going to show you how to install the American Muscle Graphics American Muscle Windshield Banner for your F-150. We're going to begin by cleaning the windshield. So after you've cleaned the windshield, we're going to go ahead and peel the backing off the windshield banner, making sure to go nice and slow. After you've peeled the backing off, you just want to spray it with some water. Get it nice and wet so it doesn't stick too much. And then we're going to go ahead and stick it up on the car. All right, so after you have the decal placed where you would like, we're going to start in the middle and squeegee all the air and water out. So now that we have the decal applied and all the water squeegeed out, we're going to go ahead and spray the transfer tape with some water. All right, so after you let this sit for a little while, it's going to soften up the glue. We can go ahead and peel the transfer tape off. All right, so after you've peeled the transfer tape off, you're just going to go along and check for any air bubbles. If you do have an air bubble you can't get out, you can poke it with a pin. That should get it out, and then we're going to dry it off.
That's my review and install on American Truck Graphics American Muscle Windshield Banner in white. Check these out and more at AmericanTrucks.com.